getting this be the right spindle. Going to get it in there. First we want to make sure we got good clean threads for the spindle bolt. There we go. Clean them out real good. Okay. Alright, I want to get oil in this thing. Which is going to be a little messy at first. Okay. That in place. Now I suppose I ought to be careful here. But I want to get a little Loctite on there, because honestly I don't trust those threads. And on we go. Well, you can tell why these fail. They're just pretty much poor design. And we're going to play the cotter pin game here. Alright. Time to put a wheel back on. The bearings and everything are all, sure, be right in the way. The bearings have all been packed, so it's just a matter now of getting her back together here. If I get some stuff out of the way, maybe I can get something done, huh? Okay, there's that. And this is the left-hand side of the car, so the threads are right hand. On the right-hand side of the car, the threads are left hand. Now I'm not going to worry a lot about these bearings because even though I've packed them and everything, they are kind of on the verge of there's a little bit of pitting and whatnot, but I just don't believe that in this huge car they get much of a load. I mean, they will wear out, and I do need to replace them. And I probably imagine that the price is probably just going to go up. Nothing seems to go down nowadays. Okay, I like to tighten them up to seat it. Just a little bit, and then back it off. That'll give them a little tiny bit of a preload there. And put the washer with the tab on it. And put this on there. And tighten it down so everything doesn't fall apart. Hopefully. There we go. Got the cotter pin hole lined up. Yeah, sure do. There we go. Give the cotter pin a little flip. Now that's going to drive everybody crazy. I reused a cotter pin. And there you have it. Now tighten down that dust cover, and that one will be done. And we'll have to just do the other side. So, yeah, getting the steering back together. New spindles, life is good.